All right, Venom fans. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. Okay, so you've unwrapped your new Grizzly or your new Kodiak. You're going to do your first time start. This is just a shop model. It's a new model. You'll see that the hardware bag's inside. It's just a customer asked for it assembled. It's not a big issue. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do a quick rundown on how to start it. Okay, so what we're going to do is it's cold start. We've put gas in it. There's nothing else we really need to do. What we do need to do is check to see if the choke is on. So if you look underneath here, you'll see right there, right where my finger is, see that? That's the choke. So what I want you to do is I want you to put it all the way up. And that's what you're gonna have to do, okay? So the choke arm is up. See that? Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna move up to the bike. We're gonna sit on it. We're gonna go over to our start button. We wanna make sure that our kill switch is on circle. Always on circle. That's where you have it to run. If you hit this is a kill switch, it will shut it off. So we will put it on run. Next thing you need to do is grab the brake. Great safety feature from Venom, just to make sure that nobody gets hurt or anything. You apply your hand on the brake, always before starting. Next, I'm going to get you to go to your key, turn your key to the on position, come back over, hand on brake, hit the starter. Oh, fired right up. And we're going to go over to our throttle. We're just going to, sometimes you might have to give a little bit of throttle when you first start up. Another issue people are having is that their bike still won't start. Still won't start, still won't start. After all I've just said, still won't start. So I'm going to recommend you do then is you hold your throttle all the way in while you're cranking your motorcycle, your four-wheeler. So as you're cranking on the starter, you're holding it full in. Keep cranking on the starter and pop the throttle out. Just let the throttle go and it will fire. What it is you're purging the gas out of your system. Once your machine is nice and warm, we'll start it up again. We just want to let it run a little bit just to warm up. It hasn't run yet, so we're going to let it warm up and get nice and warm. After your bike is nice and warm, what will happen is if you leave your choke on, it will choke out the engine. So you want to make sure and shut that choke off. So when it gets nice and warm, drop the choke off. It'll still continuing to run. It'll actually start to run a little better. Because when you choke an engine, basically what you're doing is you're choking the engine of gas, or I'm sorry, of air. So when you choke it of air, it's just getting pure shots of gas, and that's what will start it and help it warm up. After it is warm, it needs air. It needs that air to run. So that's why you shut your choke off. You need to shut your choke off. So your choke is in the down position when it's warm. When you're first starting and it's cold, choke in the up position. And then again, when it's nice and warm, click your choke down. All right, folks, I hope that's been a great video and it helps a lot of people out. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas. And I hope you like and subscribe. Have a great Christmas, guys.